Right now, we're just at the beach watching McNutt shred all these beautiful McPillows.
Knowing that McNutt was just gonna crush his line, none of us were really even factoring in the lake being like a terrain trap if anything went wrong. Like our risk for the day was done, basically.
What a ninja.
I think he's buried. McNutt!
You got eyes on him?
No!
You got a signal?
Get a probe and shovel.
Yep.
Everyone on search? I don't have a signal.
I do not have a signal either.
I don't have a signal. Is this transceiver not on?
We need all hands on deck now.
No way, no way, no
I'm
way.
gonna start from the top down. Yep.
It's so deep right here. God damn it. Did you hit the SOS button? Huh.
Should we get in the line and do a proper probe?
Yeah,
Let's
we
start
should.
up by Sam, okay?
Dude, I got one right here. I got it right here.
You got him?
Someone else drill that.
He's
Do that.
90.
Make sure I'm
Do
right.
a double probe, maybe.
That's a human. That's a
Okay,
human.
we're coming for you, Nick. Hang on.
Buddy. Come on, buddy.
Nick, we're on you.
Dig him out, dig him out.
You're okay, bud.
Nick.
Come on, buddy.
Oh, thank God.
Nick.
Oh my God.
Okay, keep digging, guys. We gotta
Keep
get
digging.
His beacon was off. He was buried 1.5 meters deep. We managed to get him out in just over 5 minutes.
That's your right arm?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
broken for sure.
It's broken.
We're certain we did a group check in the morning to check everybody's avalanche beacon is on and working. We figure that his beacon was turned off from trauma of going through the forest or some sort of weird movement. It's just like the most intense moment, you know, when like your buddy is not there anymore. Like you're just like, we have to save him. It's so scary, just like the minutes, you know? Mean life or death. Okay, we'll see you soon, buddy.
Thank you, guys.
It gave me a huge sense of calm under there, knowing that I was with who I was with. Had the lucky probe strike not happened right when it did, I bet they would have only been another minute or two out.
It's not something that's foreign to this community, but even an incident that didn't end in a death still makes you think.
We were smart. We did all the right things, but we got lucky.
To be able to break off a pillow the size of a car from just the tiniest bit of spray landing on it, it really felt like a freak thing. It's a risk you take. Things can go wrong. Hope for the best, strive for the best, and be prepared for the worst. Life is quite fragile, and when you least expect it, it can all be taken away. So just enjoy it and live with a smile, and don't let any of it go to waste.